11-foot foam kayak, homemade DIY. Okay, I thought before I put the fabric on the top of it, I'd make a few more improvements. It's just easier if you do it before you put the fabric down. So I got just a 1/4-inch piece of cedar in here because that's what I had, just in case I want to screw something down here. I'm not going to put rod holders that go in there because I don't want water standing inside there. It's foam, and eventually the foam will give up and start, you know, the water it just starts soaking up water after a while. So I'm sealing everything, and if I want to have a rod holder, I can have one that mounts right here and sticks up like that. And then I got all these plates here that I embedded into the foam. So next thing is going to be up here on the bulkhead. I carved out I just grabbed a piece of plywood that was handy, drew a line around it, and carved it out. It's almost perfect. And then I've already fit it to make sure that, you know, popped it in there, make sure it's going to fit okay. And now I'll put some sealant in here. Sealant, some glue. I'm not going to seal the bottom in case water does get behind there. It can run out the bottom. This will be for, you know, whatever you might want to mount in here. You never know. You never know what you may want to mount. So what I will do is I'll run a little glue along the seams on the top. And I know it's gonna be covered in the fabric and glue, but just the little effort you do now could make a difference in how much longer your homemade foam kayak or boat will last. Like there's a little hole there. Fill that up. And just do stuff like that. The more time you spend making it right, like I said, the longer it's going to last. So, all right, we'll see y'all in the next segment of 11-foot foam kayak, homemade DIY, all that good stuff. Thank y'all for watching. Leave a comment.